In a survival situation, hygiene is crucial, and baking soda can be your best friend. First, use it as a toothpaste alternative. Mix it with water to scrub away plaque and neutralize acids. For fresh breath, dissolve a teaspoon in water and swish it around. Can't shower? Pat some under your arms for a natural deodorant that absorbs sweat. Soak your tired feet in warm water with baking soda to soothe aches and prevent infections. Running low on soap? Use it to clean dirt and oil from your skin. Sprinkle it on your scalp for a dry shampoo that absorbs oils. Mix it with water for a hand sanitizer when soap isn't available. Got insect bites? A baking soda paste can ease itching and swelling. For sunburn, apply a baking soda paste to reduce pain and inflammation. Wash your clothes with baking soda to remove odors, and add a pinch to purified water to improve taste. Baking soda is a survival essential that keeps you clean and comfortable when it matters most.